Welcome back to the shop. This is my 2002 Chevy 1500. I live in Florida, so it doesn't get that cold, but it's going to be in like the high 30s, low 40s, which is cold enough for me. As you can see here, I've got the heater core looped around because one of these fittings is split and is leaking out of the bottom, so I'm going to try to repair it so I'm not too cold in the morning. I've got the tool. There's this made in China tool. It's a, I'll put a link up to it, 3/4 inch tool made for replacing these things. Probably not too dissimilar than the air conditioning release tool. And then I'll put the Amazon link up to those. So there's a couple little finger tabs that sort of hold this thing into place. Shit. And what's happening is that this tool, it slips down into the center and sort of holds those open. And then how these things fall down in these holes. I grabbed a hold of the end of it with these pliers and pulled straight on it and it came right out. Alright, it's snapped in there. Okay, that slid on there pretty good. They appear to be the same, so there's just a couple O-rings inside of there. And the same quick release. Oops, sorry. You can slide them on there, and then now I'll reconnect the heater hoses. So there are the hoses reconnected in there. There's also a Y fitting down in there. God, it's so hard to see. It's common to go bad. But that's just a quick demonstration of how to use this quick disconnect tool on the Chevy Heater Core. Sorry, this fitting is cracked. It's super hard to see, but it got split down the middle. If you can, yeah, you'll probably not be able to see that. But there's a big crack down this fitting. Oh, sorry, I should have gotten more into the diagnostic part of this. Having a leaking radiator hose is usually obvious in some cases, but in my case, I wasn't sure where it was leaking from, so I had purchased this radiator test kit for some months ago, maybe a year ago, and only used it once or twice, but it was indispensable in this case, and I was able to pressurize the system, and it squirted water out of the cracked fitting with this this cap here. But I'll also put this link up from where I bought it on Amazon. Was worth whatever I paid for it, and just the amount of troubleshooting time. It was so nice to have the right tool for the right job. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.